Alicia of Golden Endurance Artistry, and I am back today. Oh, I wanted to come in because I don't know if you guys know, Golden Endurance Artistry offers travel-inspired candles and skincare, and you know, I just wanted to share with you guys. So anyway, Golden Endurance Artistry is all about living life goldenly and adorning it with joy, travel, beauty, and art. And I love traveling. Everyone loves traveling, right? When we get off vacation, you know, those post-vacation blues start to set in, and it's like, okay, well, what do I do now? And right now, at this very moment, we're in a quarantine, so no one's going on vacation, right? Right. So, Golden Endurance Artistry is bringing that vacation vibes right to you. So it's all about creating like a mini getaway every day. And I just want to share a few scents that I have. I do have some skincare on my website as well. So I'm just going to share a few. This one is called Golden Moments. Golden Moments. And this is like a nice sugared lemongrass. Excuse me, a nice sugared lemongrass scent. Just trying to get the lighting together here. And I just want to, it's fresh, it's vibrant, and it's just like good times. And I want to have it shown on my, on the labeling and whatnot. So it kind of has like a little African vibe print over here. And then you got your yellow, it's just fresh. So these 12-ounce size jars, they burn about approximately 60 hours. You get about 60-hour burn time. So they smell so good. And that's my whole thing in creating. I pretty much, these are custom blended. I mixed my scents together to create a custom scent, pretty much, that's geared to travel. So this next one is called Safari Drive. And I'm trying to get the lighting together here. Let me see if I turn that off. Nope, that's not working either. Safari Drive. And so it has a patchouli and sandalwood scent. So it's very natural. It's not overpowering, but it's just very calming and relaxing. So that is Safari Drive. Okay. And the next one is called Destination. So catch flights, bon voyage, and first class. So I have like the little luggage print on there. And this one is, it's just like a nice cashmere, I don't know, it's like a warmy type scent. It's just like a nice warm sweater, but you're just cozy, you know, you're in your travel gear and you're just doing the thing, you know, you're chilling in first class. You might order a little, you know, Riesling. I love me Riesling, by the way. But yeah, just, I love traveling, and to put that into creating products and having others enjoy it, it's just like awesome. And these definitely fill your room, and it's just awesome. Next is called Fresh Luxe. This reminded me like big city time. You know, you rent, you know, maybe rent out the penthouse for the weekend. It's fresh duvets, like that nice, comfy type, luxurious type of linens and stuff. And it's just exquisite taste. And this is just fresh. It just smells. It's a fresh scent, and I'm being so stingy. Let me share. So it has like the chandelier there. So I just wanted to create like, even, you know, oh, it just smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. It's just like a nice linen scent. It's just fresh and it's just luxurious, you know. And I wanted to, even with the packaging, or rather the product labeling, I want to bring those vibes to you. So maybe one day you want it to be on perhaps an exotic hiatus, right? And you know, you got the little detail there on the beach. And so this exotic hiatus, This is White Sands, Rum and Coconut, and Palm Trees. And this one just smells like you're in the Caribbean, on some Caribbean island. You choose which one you want to be on, but oh, just light it and just relax. It just smells so good. And just one thing to note, so these knobs, these are phasing out. It will just be, I'm coming with new type of lids. They'll just be with the gold lid for right now, but these, the ones with the little tops, those are phasing out. So that was Exotic Hiatus. The next one, if you're a coffee lover or you love someone who's just, they have to have their morning coffee, this one is for them. This one is for you. This one is called Good Morning Babe. And it's hot coffee, sleep in, comfy PJs. And it's just a nice coffee creamy type scent. It's not overpowering at all. And it's just, oh, I just love it. I just love all my scents. I do. I'm sorry. I mean, no, sorry but not sorry. But so it has like the comfy bed sheets and the toss pillows and whatnot. And so that's Good Morning Babe. And you can definitely get a clearer picture on my website. Head over to goldenendurance.com. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please stay tuned because we got some stuff coming, okay? Until then, live life goldenly. Bye.